ClubExpress Surveys. In this video, we'll learn to create and manage surveys to get feedback from our website users. We cover more specific options, like polls and elections, in their own separate videos. We also cover the specific types of questions you can ask in surveys in the video ClubExpress Questions and Answer Types. To create or manage our surveys, we head to the Control Panel, find the Communications tab, and select Surveys to access the Survey Manager page. On this page, we can use the search function to find and manage existing surveys. We can click the Survey Categories button to manage our list of surveys, or we can click the Add Survey button to begin creating a new survey. Survey categories are only used for administrative purposes, like filtering and organizing our surveys. Click the Add Survey Category button to add a category. Click the Edit action to edit the name of an existing category. A delete action is also shown for any categories not currently in use. There's also a hidden system category for polls not shown in this list. To search for existing surveys, we can filter on criteria like survey category, a survey's active status, or for multi-level organizations, chapter, or subgroup. For a full list of all surveys, we can simply clear all filters and click the search button. Let's begin creating a new survey. When we click the Add Survey button, a survey details window will appear. We can give our survey a title. The description's optional and is only visible on the user-facing survey page. Category allows us to group similar surveys together. Availability allows us to limit who can see and respond to our survey. It can be made available to both members and non-members, limited to members only, or limited to a more specific group of members, like those in a specific committee, of a certain member type, or of a certain chapter or subgroup. Note that if a survey is not available to a certain user, it won't appear to them on the public-facing survey page. We can limit the survey to primary and solo members only. This option is for situations where each group membership, such as business or family memberships, gets only one survey response per group. The survey button text is where we customize the initial button that begins the survey. When the survey is complete, it can be closed in one of three ways. Manually, by changing the survey status, it can become unavailable on a specified date, or it can be made to shut off after a specified number of responses have been received. Surveys handle anonymous responses in one of three ways. Not allowed, where all users must be identified. This option will not allow non-members to submit responses. Optionally allowed, where members may choose to submit their response anonymously or be identified. Non-members will always submit anonymous responses. Or required, where no users are identified with their responses. We have the option of allowing or blocking multiple responses by the same person. This restriction is only enforced on members. The system cannot determine if a non-member has previously responded. To add a contact person to the survey, click the Select option. We'll then see the standard ClubExpress member selector. When a contact person is defined, an additional option appears to notify them by email whenever a survey response is completed. Click Save to create our new survey. Once a survey has been created, the following actions are available to us in the Search Results section. We can edit the properties we just configured. We can add or manage the pages and questions our users will see in the survey. The preamble can be used to define an opening, information-only page before the survey begins. Similarly, the postamble defines a closing page that's shown at the end of the survey, either just before or just after the response is submitted. Results display each user who responded to our survey and allows us to see their responses. Reports gives us a list of available reports on our survey. Exports, similarly, gives us CSV exports of all survey data that are easier to sort or filter in Excel. Copy makes a duplicate of a survey without any of the responses already collected. Email allows us to add information to the automatic email sent to the respondents after survey completion. Take Survey launches the survey for us to respond to it ourselves. And finally, delete will completely remove a survey. All questions and responses will be deleted and cannot be recovered. Our new survey always starts out with a status of inactive. Before the survey can be activated, we must add questions for our users to respond to. To build the questions for our survey, select the Pages Questions action. Each survey will start out with 2 pages. First is the private workspace or scratchpad that's not visible to users and is used for storing in progress or removed questions. Second is page 1, our first page of questions that users can respond to. Many surveys are only 1 page long, and we may not need to add additional pages. But if our survey has many questions, we may want to break them up across additional pages to prevent our survey pages from requiring a lot of scrolling. To add an additional page, we click the Add Page button. The page name is used on the administration screen, while the page heading is shown on the survey itself. The following actions are available for each page. Edit the name and heading of the page, delete a page, or we can change the order the questions are presented in. To add questions to our survey, we click the Add Question button. Then we can specify the page the question appears on. The question name is used in the Survey Manager and reports only. It's never shown to users taking the survey. We then select the answer type from the drop-down list. There are many types to choose from, and the screen will change to show additional options based on our answer type. The question text field contains the actual question that will be shown to the user. The Notes field lets us enter additional text that will be shown under the question and in a smaller font. Please watch the ClubExpress questions and answer types video for detailed descriptions and examples of each answer type. Select Save to add our new question to our survey. We can then repeat that process for all questions that we need to ask in our survey. Once our questions are added, the following actions are available for each question. We can edit the properties of a question, see reports on answers to the question, view quick details of answers to the question, view a simplified summary of the answers, or we can delete a question and all current responses to the question will be lost. Now that we have a completed survey, we can activate it for our users to begin responding. We can return to the Survey Manager page, select the Edit action for our survey, and we'll now have the added option to change our survey status. Our new survey will start out in the inactive status. We can change the status to test mode to submit test responses to the survey and ensure we set up everything correctly. Test responses are easily removed after they're submitted. When we're ready, we can set the status to active, and the survey will appear on the main survey page for users to begin responding. When we're done receiving responses, we can manually set the status to closed. A closed survey is no longer available, but we can still access it from the Survey Manager to run reports, see results, or even copy it for future similar surveys. Now let's look at the results of users submitting responses to our survey. The Results action displays detailed results for the survey or poll. It lists each user that responded to the survey, including the date of the response, and whether they're a member or not. Select the View Response action to view their full responses. Select Export Response Details to generate a CSV text file of all responses received to date. This file can be opened in Excel for easier sorting and filtering. Click Delete Test Responses to delete all test responses if any were entered, and click Delete All Responses to reset the survey and remove all responses. Be cautious with this action, as deleted responses can't be recovered. ClubExpress Surveys allows us to solicit detailed feedback from members or non-members. Executed well, this type of targeting research can benefit organizations with reliable and usable data and improve decision-making. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.